guys, in this video we will be talking about how to create your first new blog. So for that we will simply click on create your blog, and here you need to log in using your Gmail account. So I will just log in. Now we will click on next, and here in the top left side of the screen there is option called create blog. So we will click here, and now we will give a name to our blog. So I will give my name, and then we will click on next, and now we will give a name to our domain. So I will give as so for explaining purpose I just give a random name. In your case, whatever name you like you need to select here, but you need to make sure if this is our this name is the whatever name you gonna use that is available in the blogger or not. So right now this is the available, so I will use this. And here after giving the name you need to simply click on save, and yeah, our blog is created and this is the dashboard. So to see how your blog will look, so you need to click on this view blog option, which is at the below left side. So I will click here, and this is how your blog will look in the internet. So basically the blogger is currently blogger is you just used this default template. So this is how it will look. So yeah, in the next video we will create a new post in our new blog. So see you in the next video.